Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are doing a oil change on this Skoda Fabia. First step, jack the car up and put her on jack stands. Like so. Now locate the sump plug and use a 19mm wrench. And remove the bolt. Like so. And let it do its thing. Now we can remove the jack and lower her down. Makes the most of the oil run out. Now we can remove the tray. And clean up the bolt. And also the sump itself. And use the 19mm spanner to tighten it. Do not over tighten it. That's it. Now let's replace the oil filter. That is located under this airbox / engine cover. Like so. And the filter is located right down here. Don't know if you can see it, but you can use a 27mm socket to loosen it. Then we come from underneath to remove it and replace with a new one. Yeah, we got it. Now it's loose. Make sure the catch pan is ready. Like so. Now the filter is right up here, and I'm not going to be able to remove this and replace it and film at the same time. So take my word for it. Phew! New filter is installed. Now let's lower her down back to the ground and fill her up. Now, of course, tighten up the filter. Like so. And now we want to fill her up with 3.2 liter It could take a little bit more. Now we want to replace the cap. And start her up. And wait a few minutes to let the oil settle, and then we'll check it again. Yep. Perfectly fine. So now we can replace the engine cover slash air filter housing. Like so. And that's it. Well guys, now you know how to replace engine oil and filter on this Skoda Fabia. Thanks everyone for watching. Remember, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.